Winter is here, it's getting cold outside. Time for cozy nights and warm food. What's better than a delicious bowl of soup? Soup warms you up from the inside out. It can be healthy and easy to make. Let's get cooking. Soup is perfect for cold days. It's like a warm hug in a bowl. Plus, it's packed with nutrients to keep you healthy all winter long. Ready for some tasty soup recipes? Let's go. Let's start with a lentil soup. Lentils are little powerhouses of goodness. They're full of protein and fiber. This soup will keep you full and satisfied. You will need 1 cup red lentils, rinsed, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, salt and pepper to taste. Let's make it. First, sauté the onion and carrots in a large pot until softened. Then add the lentils, broth, cumin and turmeric. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 20 minutes. Finally, season with salt and pepper. Enjoy. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein. They're also packed with iron and folate. This soup is a nutritional powerhouse. Next up is a classic, creamy tomato soup. This soup is always a crowd pleaser. It's rich, flavorful, and oh so comforting. You will need 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 28 ounces canned crushed tomatoes, 1 cup vegetable broth, half a cup heavy cream, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper to taste. Let's make it. First, in a large pot, sauté the onion and garlic until softened. Then, add the crushed tomatoes, broth, and basil. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 15 minutes. Finally, stir in the heavy cream and season with salt and pepper. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C. They're also rich in lycopene, an antioxidant. This soup is both delicious and good for you. Feeling under the weather? This chicken noodle soup is just what the doctor ordered. It's the ultimate comfort food, perfect for soothing a cold. You will need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, 8 cups chicken broth, 1 cup cooked chicken, shredded 1 cup egg noodles, and salt and pepper to taste. Let's make it. Heat the olive oil in a large pot. Sauté the onion, carrots, and celery until softened. Pour in the chicken broth and bring to a boil. Add the shredded chicken and noodles. Simmer for 10 minutes or until the noodles are cooked. Season with salt and pepper. Chicken noodle soup is packed with fluids and electrolytes. This helps you stay hydrated, which is especially important when you're not feeling well. Want a soup that's bursting with flavor and nutrients? Look no further than this vibrant vegetable fiesta. It's a celebration of colorful veggies in every spoonful. You will need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 zucchini diced, 1 yellow squash diced, 1 cup chopped broccoli florets, 1 cup chopped cauliflower florets, 4 cups vegetable broth, and salt and pepper to taste. Let's make it. Heat the olive oil in a large pot. Sauté the onion and garlic until softened. Add the zucchini, yellow squash, broccoli, and cauliflower. Pour in the vegetable broth and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. This soup is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It's a delicious way to get your daily dose of veggies. Ready for something a little different? This sweet potato surprise will warm you up with its sweet and savory flavors. You will need 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 sweet potatoes peeled and cubed, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. Let's make it. Heat the olive oil in a large pot. Sauté the onion and garlic until softened. Add the sweet potatoes, broth, cumin, and paprika. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 20 minutes or until the sweet potatoes are tender. Season with salt and pepper. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin A. They also add a touch of natural sweetness to this comforting soup. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.